How to do, folks? I'm back again, and I'm out in the snow with my dogs. Do something, you two. I'm gonna have to be careful where I step. I don't want to slip. Do something. Do something. What are you doing? You spoiled little thing. What are you doing, boy? The video might be a little short because I can't stay out here very long because I might get cold. Well, they're just prancing around. Come on, do something. Where are you going? What do you think? What do you think about that? What are you doing? Looking for the dogs, huh? Looking for some dogs to play with. Dogs. What are you doing? Trying to get... Oh! Oh! You poor little thing. Oh! Oh! He ran over. Oh, you're a good sport about that, huh? He's just running around like crazy. You say hello? No. Can you say hello? Now you're chasing him. Wow, look at how deep the snow is. Look at it. This ball is pretty big also. See if I can do it. Look at that. That's how deep it is. Wearing my regular shoes. I don't have any boots yet. I need to get some because then my feet will get wet and cold. What about you? Look at that. Look how deep her paws are under there. What do you think about the snow? What do you think? Look at the camera. Look at the camera, boy. I'm getting cold. Dog house. Cold. How you doing? Christmas tree. Oh, dang. I think the last time I saw it was only that tall. Like, off the ground right there. That thing has grown and I haven't even noticed that. There's a garage. Very ugly. I don't think you want to see that. Oh, quit running through the garden. There's a garden under here. See if I can show you guys the bricks. Yeah, can't. I won't wind up finding it. Well, sniffing the fence. Yes, very interesting. I'd probably sniff it too right now. No, not really. Let's uncover this. How deep it is. I don't know if you can see the metal. There you go. You can probably see that. That's how deep it is. There's that other Christmas tree that won't fit in my house. I'm serious. This Christmas tree right here used to be just bare, like 3 inches tall. And now it's like, what, 6 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet 11? Taller than me. Good God almighty, that has grown and I haven't even noticed it. I'm not kidding. I haven't even noticed it. Look at that. That's amazing. Plus, there's another one under here, which I highly doubt. But anyway, that has grown so much I haven't even noticed it. And what are you doing? Get out of there. Oh, there's a hole right there in my backyard. Hey, don't you go digging in there. You don't need to make that work. Come on, shoot. No. Attaboy. Well, guess you're probably getting bored now. Show them running one more time. Anyway, see you guys later, and see you later on YouTube. Bye bye. That tree has gotten very tall.